What's up guys, today we're going to be talking about how to download your YouTube videos from your YouTube studio. First off, this is not downloading other people's videos, this is downloading your own. So let's say you have a video and you uploaded it to YouTube and then years go by and all of a sudden you say, oh my gosh, I don't have that file anymore, but it's up on YouTube. Well, if you can get into your account, you can still get it. First, you need to make sure that you are logged in. Look for that happy little icon in the upper right hand circle. Click that link and you go to the third one down, go to YouTube Studio. Once we get to YouTube Studio, we're going to go over to videos on the left hand side. You'll see we have videos. It'll bring up our channel videos. And then we have our channel videos here. And if you put a check in the box, you will see each one of these videos has a checkbox next to it. If you put a check in that box, you'll see one selected and it'll give you some options. You can add it to a playlist, you can do some more actions, or you can edit. If we click more actions, we have two choices. Make sure you pick the right one. The right one we want is download. Once we click download, it will bring up another window and ask us where we want to save it, and you will notice that it saves it as an MP4, and that's fine with me. And that is how you download one of your videos from YouTube Studio. Pretty easy, right? All right. If you have any questions, let me know. And if not, have a good day.